Video you will see how to convert a crypto token in any token on the ByBit. So come in the ByBit. If you haven't ByBit account, create a ByBit account on the Chrome browser, or you can download in Play Store your apps, or you can use browser, whatever. So our main purpose is today is knowing how to convert any token in the exchanger especially. So if you especially wanna convert any token inside of any like decentralized exchange or centralized exchange, the main thing is primary thing that everyone know, that is swap and spot trading. That is complicated maybe to you, but convert is somewhat not complicated to you. Convert mean, you, let's say your fiat money is rupiah, so you wanna convert this into dollar. So just put your rupiah and convert into dollar inside of any machine or any bank you using. So let's say, so here is I have some BTC, so I will convert into other coin, whatever coin you need. Just search on here. If you want to do USDT, BTC to USDT, you can do that. So I will show you how to do that totally, like A to Z. So first I will convert this token. Maybe this token hasn't listed on converting system, but majority token you will get there, so what is that token? Jan. Okay, anyways, let's say I wanna convert USDT. So how much USDT, how much Bitcoin you want to convert into USDT? So I wanna do max. So here is, notice that funding account where your asset has. So my asset has on the spot account. So now if you select that will be work. So I'm doing max and I have some Bitcoin, and here is, maybe you are seeing 190 Rothwell Bitcoin I have. So if you wanna just select this Kodo and confirm, tap on there, that has been done. So it's easy process to doing convert any crypto token into whatever you want. So conversion completed. View assets. So if you wanna come into here, you will notice that here with crypto USDT I get. So now this is the process. So you can do that so easily, like tap on this convert, and now you click on this flip button, and I wanna get Bitcoin again. So click on Kodo and confirm here, and yeah, that's pretty easy, straightforward. Maybe you understand what I'm trying to say you. So you will get so easily this thing in any exchanger. Maybe some exchanger has not have this option. I see ByBit, BitGet, as well as Binance has this option. So keep in mind, you can do that so easily. The few thing has here to doing convert, that number one is spot trading, and in the DEX swap, and number three, inside of some exchanger you will see that is convert. That is so easy, no fees needed, zero fee. You can convert your money in zero fee. Like if you want to convert 1 rupiah into $1, how much would be, that is on listed on in market, you can get exactly that amount. You don't need to spend any money, you don't need to spend any fees for that. So keep in mind, and yeah, that is Rothwell.